mucii wa Ruiru ni ukugunika na mwako wa keri wa uikaro itemi ria gukinyaniria uikaro muiganu guku bururi-ini. Riri thina uyu ukoretwo ugikinyaniria ikiro nene cia unyihu wa nyumba.
The sewer system, we are going to connect with the existing sewer system which is on the other side, which was constructed the other day by the government. So that is where we are leaving our sewer system.
Ari uguo mwako wa Ruiru Villas ugakorwo ugiteithia thirikari gukinyaniria riendekithia ria gwaka nyumba 500,000 o mwaka.
Implementing the agenda 4, which in agenda 4 one is the housing, that is affordable housing. Now it's also very good and very important as now the private people have also encouraged and have taken that agenda 4 of housing as part of the government.
Gakari kanya kega ka njamba njithi gukorwo ikihimbiria wirutiri wa uikaro guku bururi-ini.
For us to encourage the young people, I think is first to provide affordable plots when we are selling, which I agree according to the area where we are now, all the amenities which are included in Ruiru Villas. It's very, I think the cost of the buying a plot here, it's very cheap.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Waitherero wa Kamau.